Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome app. On the top right corner you can see these three dots, that's the menu icon, tap on it. Then the third option will be the history. Tap on the history, and here you can have your history. You can delete one by one on this X on the right side of your history, or you can tap on clear browsing data. And tap on clear data. Tap on clear. Then you have to wait a little. Tap on OK, I got it. Then you go back. And if you go to your history, there is nothing. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.